Hello everyone, so this is Edmond. Mindaros Channel, isang content creator at gumagawa ng mga tutorials katulad ng laptop PC troubleshootings, mobile device troubleshootings at marami pang ibang klaseng tutorials na sinishare ko dito sa aking channel. At sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to nominate or select your primary device on RCBC Pulse App. So may bagong advisory si RCBC Pulse App. RCBC Pulse App will transitions to a single device policy starting January 5, 2026. You will only be able to access your account through nominated primary device. So, ibig sabihin yan, isang device na lang yung pwede natin gamitin. Kung hindi mo kabisado kung paano ba mag-nominate or mag-select, ang video ito ay makakatulong sa iyo as your guide. Kaya wag na natin patagalin at start na natin. So, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-login dito lang sa ating RCBC Pulse App and then click mo lang. So, login lang tayo dito gamit yung biometric and then confirm your biometric to continue scan your fingerprint para ma-open ka agad yung ating account. And ganun lang siya kabilis kapag gamit natin yung biometric. So, yung advisory naman ay makikita natin dito lang sa baba. Kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung messages tab and then click mo lang. And dito lang sa ST alert and then advisory, makikita mo na dito yung one device stronger protections. Starting January 5, 2026, your RCBC Pulse App will be accessible through one device only. Be sure to nominate your primary device before January 4, 2026. So bago pa man mag January 5, kailangan nakasali ka na ng device mo dito. Kung paano ba yan gawin? So same lang dito ulit and then dito lang sa baba, kailangan mo lang i-select or itap mo dito yung security tab and then click mo lang. At dito lang sa ating security and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung manage registered devices and then click mo lang. So dito lang sa my registered devices, makikita mo dito yung mga device na nakalink or naka-add dito sa ating RCBC Pulse App. So ang gagawin mo lang dito, sili ka lang dito kung anong device yung gusto mong i-nominate or i-select. And then, select mo lang dito yung device and then kailangan mo lang i-follow dito yung kanyang prompt instructions. I-tap mo lang dito yung set primary device and then i-click mo lang dito yung confirm. Ayan, so napakadali lang talaga kung paano natin yan gawin. Sa mga single device lang naman na makikita mo dito, so sa atin kasi single device na lang tayo, so makita mo dito na isang device lang yung nakalagay dito. So ibig sabihin yan, ay no action is needed if you are already using your primary device. So automatic ito mga kaibigan na ma-registered po siya as primary device. So if you do not manually nominate a device, the first device you successfully log into after the policy takes effect will automatically be registered to your primary device. Ayan. Okay, so what happens to the devices I currently use for mobile banking? So only the primary device will remain registered while all other previously registered devices will be automatically deregistered and will no longer be able to access the app. The device where you will first log in prior to enrollment will be considered your primary device. Okay, so yan po yung other details dito mga kaibigan. Okay, so napakadali lang gawin naman. Select mo lang dito yung device and then itap mo lang dito yung set primary device and then itap mo lang dito yung confirm. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-nominate or mag-select dito lang sa advisory ni RCBC. I-hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa RCBC Pulse App tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.